PeriWeather is the on-site weather monitoring and alert system built to keep student-athletes safe and simplifies the high-stakes weather decisions. With PeriWeather, you don't have to rely on generic weather apps with inaccurate data or spend your whole afternoon taking manual measurements. We provide precision weather tracking tailored to your campus. When the wet bulb globe temperature or lightning threaten your safety, our system automatically alerts your team via email, SMS text, mobile notifications, as well as on-site sirens and strobes, ensuring everybody is on the same page. Let's take a closer look at how PeriWeather helps you protect your athletes, staff, and fans. This is your main dashboard, where you'll see current conditions and any potential weather risks. If you have multiple schools to monitor in your district, you can quickly switch views using the snapshot camera icon at the top. For athletic trainers and ADs, the lightning status is a priority. It shows exactly how far strikes are from your location and tracks the duration of any active delays. When lightning enters your predefined radius, a countdown timer starts automatically, which triggers an alert sent via email, SMS text, mobile notification, and an on-site outdoor warning siren, along with a flashing strobe light. The moment the countdown timer reaches 0, another alert is sent out, letting everyone know via siren and notifications that it's safe to resume activities. Your main dashboard also contains useful information regarding the projected forecast for the day, the anticipated policy risks you'll encounter throughout the day, as well as any NWS alerts currently ongoing for each location. Beyond lightning, we provide automated on-site WBGT monitoring. Many departments still use handheld monitors, which are time-consuming and often unreliable. PeriWeather removes the manual work by recording WBGT every 5 minutes directly from your campus. This keeps you compliant with school and state governing bodies, including our partners at the NFHS and various state associations around the United States. The policy page is where we turn your school or state association safety guidelines into automatic action. Whether it's heat stress, wind, or lightning, you can automate rules so that when conditions change, your team is notified via on-site sirens, text, email, and mobile alerts. If a WBGT hits a certain level, PeriWeather can automatically send an alert reminding coaches that players must be restricted to helmets and shoulder pads with mandatory rest breaks. You can even automate alerts from the NWS and selectively choose which alerts to receive, such as only receiving notifications for tornado and flood warnings, but not for hurricanes and dense fog. Instead of recording every weather event and measurements by hand, our on-site hardware logs everything automatically. Through the historical reporting page, you can access past conditions, as well as when policies and safety rules were triggered. Maybe you'd like to view the number of hours the football team spent in the WBGT red zone, or the total amount of time that games were in a lightning delay throughout the season. With PeriWeather, staff simply select the date range and the policies that should be included, as well as the time to send it and the people who should be receiving the report. Furthermore, PeriWeather allows you to automate your workflow by scheduling recurring reports, such as weekly WBGT verifications, to be delivered at any interval you choose. Sometimes the data alone isn't enough, and you need a second opinion for a game time decision. With PeriWeather, you gain access to 24/7 meteorology support to help you make those tough calls. Just send your question through the app, choose how you want to get a response, and an in-house PeriWeather meteorologist will get back to you in an average of just 9 minutes. With widgets, you can display current conditions to everyone at a location. You can display different conditions, like a radar, the current lightning delay, or other weather variables like wind speed. And the great thing, widgets can be used anywhere. On TVs, in the stadium, on billboard screens, even embedding it on your school's website. Join the thousands of schools that trust PeriWeather to keep their athletic department running safely and efficiently. Sign up today and get a free 14-day trial.